Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we have someone doing a major hair color change. Looks like she's adding in some purple to her bob. Wow, gorgeous hints of purple throughout the blonde. Beautiful hair color change. And then we see the next hair transformation. Looks like she is getting a bob haircut with this one. So the stylist is just kind of shaping up the back, giving her some nice angled bangs. Absolutely gorgeous. This is actually a very interesting hairstyle because her hair is very short on one side like a pixie and then longer on the other side like a bob. So then we see this beautiful bob haircut. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles seen within today's video, don't forget to give it a like and of course hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video. So the stylist is using the razor for this particular haircut. Beautiful angle bangs added. This is a nice micro style bob. Gorgeous color work throughout. Beautiful. So then we see a bob haircut. And this one comes to just around her jawline. And then we see another haircut transformation. Now her hair is currently bleached, so the stylist is mixing in some purple. Stylist then proceeds to give her a blowout. Her hair is so bouncy and full. The color is gorgeous. So looks like she ended up getting a nice layered shag. Absolutely stunning. The colors and the layers just look so beautiful. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed these hairstyles, please be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.